Hey guys, I'm Desikan, and in this video we're going to be doing an Amazon haul. I have makeup products, about like 2 skincare and a couple of perfumes to talk to you guys about. I thought of filming this video just in time for the Amazon Great Republic Day sale, and which has already begun, and you can find all of these products on really good discount deals. So 15th onwards is the main event for the Great Republic Day sale. The first one I'm going to be showing you is the Good Girl perfume by Carolina Herrera. Now this is a raved after perfume and a lot of people really like this, and so that's the reason I thought I should pick this one up. And this is what the bottle looks like. I know a lot of you guys already know it's very like famous. And now coming to the scent of this one, I really like it. Like, I never expected to like the scent of this. So the top notes of this perfume are almond, coffee, bergamot and lemon. Middle notes are tuberose and jasmine. And so yeah, there are a lot of like mixture of things which I really like the scent of this one. It has praline, it has sandalwood, it has patchouli, which I really like. I know that Zara perfumes are a dupe of this. I think it's the violet blossom scent. I'm not quite sure, but this is a very familiar scent to me and I really like it. It's quite long lasting as well, and I got this one in the 50 ml variant, and yeah, the outer box is like really big compared to the actual product. But yeah, I'm completely impressed and not disappointed with this scent at all. The next couple of perfumes I picked up are from Global Desi. These are crafted by Ajmal Perfumes. Now Ajmal has a lot of like hidden gem perfumes which I'm yet to try out, but I was very intrigued by this when I visited a Global Desi store, and I really loved the way this perfume was smelling. Okay, it's leaked. Great. So this is what the packaging of it comes in, and this is in the variant Mythical Bloom. The top notes of this is bergamot, mandarin, and there's lily of the valley, there's violet. Base notes are amber, vanilla and sandalwood. When I sniffed this one in the store, I actually quite liked the smell of this. Now if you don't really like floral scents, you wouldn't really like this because you can actually smell like the jasmine in this very predominantly. I got this one in a combination with this perfume. I got both of this. This is a 100 ml variant and this was a 50 ml one, and I got this for around 1300 or 1500. So this one is also from Global Desi. This is in the variant Soulful Trance. I was not sure which one I actually sniffed at the store, so I just picked up both. This packaging, I don't know if there's some fault because the perfume is actually leaking from this, and this one is intact. This one has green grass, marine top notes, heart notes as amber, woody. I don't remember which was the actual scent I sniffed in the store, and I can't really try out all the fragrances, but this one is pretty good for me. And I also picked up RENEE Bloom perfume. This was said to be a dupe for the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume, so I just picked this up to see if it is in fact a dupe for that. I will test it out and let you guys know in another video. Okay, what's up with all of the perfumes? Are they leaking? Why is there like half the product in this? I don't find it to be quite similar to the Carolina Herrera, but we'll see. And next up, moving on to the only like skincare products I picked up. This one is the Minimalist lip balm, and this one has an SPF of 30 in it. I've seen good reviews about this, and that's the reason I picked it up. It is a little bit waxy for my liking, and it was not the most moisturizing lip balm I've tried out, so it didn't really help with my very dry chapped lips. I also picked up the Dot & Key Skincare Gloss Boss lip balm, and this one is in the variant Cherry Pop. I haven't tried this out yet. This is what the packaging of this looks like. I hope this at least works for my very dry lips. If you feel like my face is a little bit shimmery, it's because the glitter from my eye is actually falling out on my face. Anyways, what I have on my eyes right now, this one is the Flower Beauty Warrior Glitter Eyeshadow, and this one is in the variant Bullet. Is it called Bullet? Yeah, this one is in the variant Bullet. It's a very cool toned champagne kind of a shade. I really like it. It's really nice and shimmery, but it does have a lot of glitter fallout. Just keep that in mind, and maybe use a glitter primer if you like, or a glitter glue. I just applied it on top of another eyeshadow, and it's the spark that I have on my eyes right now. I really like it. Mine is the fallout, but it's not too intense, so it's good, and I really like the pop on this. And this was available for a really good discount for like half the price, like around 300 rupees, and that's the reason I picked it up. And then for bronzer, we have the LA Girl Back to the Beach bronzer. I'm so intrigued with the size of this one. Just look at this. What a huge pan, and it seems like a very cool toned bronzer shade, so it works as a contour, but I feel like it's a little too light for my skin tone. Not sure yet. Let me just try it out. Yeah, it works as a subtle contour shade for my skin tone. I'm not someone who goes very intense with my contour shade, so it works for me. But if you are anywhere deeper than my skin tone and you want your contour to actually stand out and like chisel out your cheekbone, I don't think you would like this. It's also very, very cool tone, so do not even think about using this as a bronzer shade by any means. And then I picked up this because it's very raved after. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. And this is a skin tint. I got this one in the shade 08, which is like an okay match for me. I feel like the undertone of Maybelline products are very different, and I don't usually get the right undertone for me. This I feel like is a little bit more neutral, and even though the shade is a good match, I feel like the undertone is very different. But because it's a very lightly pigmented product and it's something you have to use with a light hand, it does work. I do feel like it has very light coverage, like light medium coverage, and it has a very matte finish on my skin. I don't find it to be very dewy, so I feel like this would work really well for people with even like very oily skin. It won't make your face look extremely oily. I just wish that I found a good shade match for myself. This one you get 30 ml of product, and this was for $3.99, and of course you can always find this on discount. And so yeah, it's a pretty decent product, but I just wish that the undertone was good because you can see a contrast in my skin tone. And then another product that I picked up is this LA Girl Pro BB Cream. This is not a new launch by any means. It's been there for so long, but I just wanted to try this out. I think I got this one in the shade Medium Deep, and this is again a little orange tone for my skin, but I really like the way this one looks. It looks like skin. It has a little bit of dewiness, and it has pretty good coverage as well, like up to medium coverage. And this is something you can use on a daily basis, especially if you have very like normal to dry skin. If you prep your skin really well, you can pull this one off, and it's a really nice lightweight BB cream, which I'm really intrigued with. And I have inserted a clip of me comparing the LA Girl one with the Maybelline one side by side. You can see how it looks, and with that comparison you can see that Maybelline does look a little more matte compared to the LA Girl. The LA Girl has a more creamy finish. It has a little bit more dewiness to it. It's not like I prep my skin intensely, so this is the actual finish of the product. And next up, this is a foundation I have been meaning to try for a really long time. This one is the Makeup Revolution in Real Life Filter Longwear Foundation. I got this in the shade F12. Most of the times, Makeup Revolution products turn out to be extremely pink on my skin, like the base products. I'm not sure how this one is. I haven't tried it out yet because I have been demoing quite a few products, and this is meant to be a haul video, but I just wanted to try it out anyways, just to give you guys an opinion about these products. So I will try this out and let you guys know in a future video, and I hope this works out. It was not really very affordable as well. And then the next product we have is this Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, and it's in the variant Infinite Bronze. I picked this one up to do a dupe video because I felt like it was very similar to another eyeshadow palette that I owned. So I'm not sure if that dupe video is already up or if it's going to be coming up. If in case it is, please stay tuned to watch that to know which one this one is a dupe of and see for yourself. So this one was priced at $1,799, but I did get a pretty good discount deal on this for around like $900, and that's the reason I picked this up. The next one I have is no surprise. This one is this Shiseido lipstick. I have been meaning to pick up as many shades as I can because I love the formulation of this. I have this one in the shade Velvet Rope, which is a beautiful wine shade, and I like the formulation of this. It's very creamy, very lightweight, very comfortable on the lips, and I highly recommend you guys try this out. Such an underrated high-end brand of lipstick. The lipstick I have right now on my lips, not faring really well. This one is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Vamp. I don't know where I left it. Here. It's extremely dry. It's a kind of like powdering and getting onto my teeth. Next couple of products are all lipsticks. So then I have the Love Child Masaba Game On Mad Matte liquid lipstick. So I did a recent swatch video of all like the wine and deep red shades for winter season. In that, the intro of the video, I've been wearing this shade, and a lot of you guys have been asking me. This one is in the shade Take a Dare. So this is a beautiful like deep red shade with a little bit of pink undertones to it. It's very beautiful. It is a tad bit drying for my lips. It's like not as drying as the Anastasia liquid lipstick, but it is quite drying, and when you're wearing it for a long time, you have the urge to lick your lips, you have the urge to moisturize your lips because it's like uncomfortable and it's probably peeling off. And then I got a Simply Naam liquid lipstick. Not because I really like the formula of this, it's because I usually collect shades that look a little different just in case I can dupe it in a future video. So this one is in the shade Munna, which is brown sugar, and this looked really nice and like very cool toned greige nude kind of a shade, so that's the reason I picked it up. The formulation of this is not like super pigmented, it's very pricey, the lipstick, and also it's not the most comfortable liquid lipstick, but just for the shade I had to go ahead and purchase this one. And then next two liquid lipsticks I have are from Iba, and these are their Max Matte liquid lipstick. I've tried out another packaging, like another shade from this called Blissful Mocha. I'm not sure if they changed the packaging. This one is in the shade Caramel Nude. Seems like a nice nude shade. And I also picked up the shade called Burgundy Blush, which looks like this. Beautiful shade. So this is Caramel Nude and this is Burgundy Blush. Next up, I have a plum liquid lipstick. I ordered a completely different shade, but the shade Cocoa Mocha was delivered to me. So I'm just putting it away because I already have that shade. And I also got the PAC Timeless Matte liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade The Grind. I haven't tried out this newer formulation of PAC, and I've been really looking at trying like deeper shades of lipstick. So like switching out from the brown nudes that I usually always wear, and this is the shade Grind. Okay, now I'm ending up with very similar shades. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will make sure to leave all the product links in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Give me that.